Hey guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a quarantine planner haul. I have accumulated these items from Amazon, Target, and Etsy. I did get some stickers from Etsy. So I'm going to go ahead and get into all of this stuff. Aside from planner stuff, I have purchased some other household things. Aside from groceries taking majority of my money, I also purchased some home decor-ish stuff. I did a room makeover, so I got new bedding, new pillows, new curtains, because I feel like your space needs to be, you know, serene, and my room was a hot mess. Next up on my list is my office. I want to do a complete office makeover, so I'll be sharing that with you guys, but that's about it. Let's get into this planner haul. I'll start off with what I purchased from Amazon first. So first up, I got this Sequins Notebook, and I've done a couple videos talking about this. The whole purpose of me buying this was that I wanted to go back to the bullet journal style. I wanted to have, with everything going on, the planner that I was using, which was a half-letter disc-bound planner, just wasn't serving its purpose for me. It was a little too structured. I wasn't using it at all, and I just needed a catch-all for everything. So I purchased the Sequins. Before using this, the only other bullet journal that is like a known brand was Astrology. The other bullet journals I had used were like $5 ones from AC Moore or Walmart. Nothing wrong with those, I'm just saying, along the lines of the brands. So I used Astrology from January to June of 2019. Then by October, I had switched over to my half letter, and I was using that up until this whole quarantine thing. But I'll be honest, even before the quarantine, I just wasn't inspired by my planner anymore, and I tried to change it and switch it and adjust it, and it just wasn't working. So being able to create my own spreads is what I wanted. So I purchased the Sequins, and this notebook is really, really cool. It rolls and all that stuff. I'll be doing a full review in comparison to Astrology later on, so stay tuned for that. But the bullet journal that I'm currently using is this mini happy planner. The mini happy planner is all the rage right now in the planner community, along with Animal Crossing and those that are playing Sims. I'm playing Sims, which is really, really fun. But yeah, so cheers to the mini HP at the moment. But I am going to be using this as a journal, and this was under $20. And of course, if you have the Prime membership, it is free shipping. Also from Amazon, I got this Tombo correction tape. Before then, I was using this whiteout one. And when I tell y'all that Tombo has gone and changed the game, I hate this. I hate this one. It just does not ever work out for me. In comparison to the two, like between the two, like Tombo. And I saw people talking about this on my IG, and I was like, I need a correction tape that's like gonna legit work. So they had a 4-pack on Amazon. I just purchased a 2-pack to see how I would like it, and I really do prefer this one over this. And I believe the 2-pack was under $10. So I don't even know how much this cost. I know I got this from Rite Aid, and the first one that I used, the tape got all out of whack. I dropped it, it popped open, it was a mess. So happy that this one is working out. This is one that I would definitely repurchase. Then from Target, when I got all of my bedding and stuff for my room, I just decided to, you know, take the long way around the store and stroll over to the stationery section, and I found the Sharpie pens. They did have I believe it was a 10-pack, but I was like, no, I don't want to really commit to buying 10 pens of something that I don't know if I'm going to like, and I love these. So these are the Sharpie Gel Pens, no smear, no bleed, black ink, medium point, 0.7, which is my favorite. In comparison to the other pens that I love to use, I love this Papermate Inkjoy gel pen, as well as my Bic Gelocity. My Bic Gelocity is like my holy grail. I love this one. This Sharpie pen writes really, really smooth though. I did see someone comment on Instagram about how they didn't know if they got the wrong pack or not, but that theirs was really, really, it skipped. And that's the issue that I had when I purchased the Papermate, the clickable ones. Every single one that I had, I mean every single time I purchased it, it was skipping. So when I got this one with the cap, I was like, you know what? I got it from Tuesday Morning. The 10 pack was under $10. I think it was like $6 or $7. And I was like, let me just give it a try, because I was running low on my Bic Gelocity. So I bought these and it did not skip. So I really do like this one, but I prefer a pen that has a clicker mechanism or whatever. So I really, really do like these. And these were under, I'd say this was like $5 or $6 for this 4-pack. So that's that. Now let's get into the stickers that I purchased. All right, so I stumbled across this Etsy shop called Wild and Wicked Designs, and she had Selena stickers, and I've really, really been wanting some. I'm gonna be doing a Selena themed plan with me, so stay tuned for that. Everything in her shop was super affordable. I will have all of her information in the description box. But let's go ahead and look at what I got. I'll get to this beautiful kit in a second. So I purchased this card, and the card was $5.10. It's 4 by 6 inches. She also had a 5 by 7, but I got this with the intention to put it inside of my Sequins bullet journal. But what I'm going to do is cut this, and I'm going to hole punch the other side so that I'm not hole punching the actual card if I ever choose to take it out and use it for something else. So this is going to be going into my mini happy planner. And then as for the freebies that she sent this groceries little paper here, and she does have list pads that you can customize and put whatever you want, and it comes in it's 20 sheets that she sends. And then this is the sampler, which is super cute. I like that. For this kind of sticker, I would definitely have to use my white pen just so it would show up. Then I got some vinyls, and this one right here is my favorite. Anything for Selena. If you guys have ever watched Selena, it's one of the most iconic scenes. One of the funniest scenes to me. I have been listening to Selena's live album like non-stop, and I don't know how many times I've seen the movie, but I'm like I'm just on a Selena kick right now. I don't know why. I just am. So the vinyl stickers were $4.75, and she had different options of what you could get. So again, I'll have all that linked below. But this is the one that I really wanted. Now getting into the kit, which I thought was such an amazing price. I also got another die cut here. This is not a sticker, it's just a die cut of Selena in that infamous outfit. So this kit has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sheets, and for the entire kit, which is the Como la Flor planner kit, it was $8.20. So amazing, amazing deal. And she had it in different sizes. If I could find the packaging, everything came in cellophane bags. She had Erin Condren, classic happy planner, mini happy planner, and a couple others. So here are the full boxes. So we have Selena, her Grammy win, Beady Beady Bum Bum, We Excited, and Anything for Selena. And then of course Como la Flor, which is I don't know what is that like? Como La Flor is like my favorite one. It's my favorite one of hers live. Yeah, it is. I listen to that one more than anything else. Then we have these full boxes with the hearts, and these I don't typically use when I'm planning, but this would be good to map out like my top 3. And I would cut these, and then for this, if I had a longer to-do list, I would just leave them as is because it has the little art in the corner. Then there are some half boxes and some quarter boxes along with some headers. So I like these. The to-do only has 2 hearts, and then these 3 up here have the bows, and then some quarter boxes, and then the headers say to do, to clean, next week, groceries, appointment, important, family, and budget. And then this little functional page here, which has day off, grocery shopping, some squigglies, me time, a vacation banner. Well, we're all on vacation right now. Weekend, laundry basket, a phone, some household signs like a house, a light bulb, credit, cleaning, some more quarter boxes, bill due. These would be great for work, and although I'm not babysitting at the moment, I am home, but I am freelancing, so this would be cool to mark my hours off and hydrate. I need to hydrate more, so these stickers have never worked for me though. If you guys have another thought on how to use those, let me know in the comment section. Then we have 2 more of those full boxes, some more quarter boxes, some weekly headers, and then more quarter boxes and some washi strips. And then these are more little washi strips, some flags, and then basically the artwork from the full boxes is here on this page. So that is everything I got from Wild and Wicked Designs. I cannot wait to use these in my planner, so stay tuned for that plan with me. I know not everyone likes plan with me's, but every now and then I'm going to share them, and this is definitely one that I can't wait to share. So that's all that I purchased. Some stickers, I got some pens, this notebook, and then this correction tape. So that wraps it up for this video. Let me know down in the comment section, have you guys purchased anything fun or exciting during this time of quarantine? Let's chat there, and feel free to leave any other questions or suggestions you have in the comment section as well. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box, which will have links to related videos, products featured, and of course the blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you're not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you. I love you guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.